언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 the two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 yeah. 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고 있는 날 봐 Someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica We don't need to see each other To know that we're on the same wavelength Oh yeah, why can't we just meet tomorrow 난 아직도 날 찾고 있어 매일이 난 네 생각하다 잠들어
If you guys like seafood, let's go check this place out. Ooh. That smells like quinola.
Just seafood.
That's what it says seafood. Look how cute these are.
Babe, look at these ones. You see these ones? Look, they have like a little spoon.
Oh my god, that is so cute. You're right though, I think I could find it. Babe, look how, what? Oh my god, that is so cute.
Look how cute this little thing is.
Oh my god, it is
The
so
tiniest
cute.
little cup.
Do you see it?
Ah, Sailor Moon drinks.
It's a
Ocean
soda?
Bomb. Okay.
Why are the things so cheap? Pomelo flavor. What?
Vanilla. Apple flavor.
Chocolate. Hey guys, so we just got OZZIE's pram in. I'm so excited. Let's open it up and see how it looks. So let's go. Oh my god, you guys, look at this pram. It's so cute. This is for OZZIE. So it actually looks like that. All right, let's put him in. Hey guys, so it's actually me and Richard's 13-year anniversary today. Like 13 years ago today, I picked him up from the Sydney International Airport, and that is where we had our first kiss. And yeah, we started this journey of being together, and 13 years, like that's insane. I'm 33 now. I met him when I was 18 years old, and we didn't start dating until I was 20 years old. Like, how freaking insane is that? Like, I feel like it's gone like by so quick. It's insane. So we've been through so much, you guys, within the 13 years of being together, and we're finally in such a great place that, yeah, like, I'm so happy to be with him. He's my best friend. He gets me. He gets my humor. He gets my jokes. I make him laugh like no tomorrow. and he makes me laugh as well, like, oh my god, so much. But I have big freaking news to tell you guys. I'm going to tell you soon, but holy moly, this is big. So I can't wait to tell you. But we leave to California on Friday, and we're gonna be there for 2 days, and yeah, then after that we come home, chill, because Monday is going to be 118 or 120 degrees. I don't think so. Mama staying home indoors. But yeah, no, it's gonna get bad. So I'm so excited you guys are coming with us and celebrate this cool thing, because we both come from, you know, broken families. My parents divorced when I was around 8, but their relationship was very, very toxic. There was a lot of stuff happening in their relationship, so obviously it was definitely destined not to make it. And Richard's parents as well, they split up, and it's really crazy that me and Richard have gone through so much, but we have stayed this close. He's the love of my life. He will always be the love of my life. And yeah, I'm just so grateful to have a best friend, you know, close to me in this life. But I will see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so the computer desk has arrived. I'm so excited to get it up and assembled. I can't wait to show you guys, so let's open it up. All right guys, so we got some parts here for the table, but what's really cool is that they give you pretty much everything that you need to assemble this. You even get this, which I thought was so cool, because every time that me and Richard have bought something like this, it never comes with a screwdriver. Obviously we have one, but if you don't, you're gonna pretty much own one. So okay guys, so Richard is going to assemble this computer desk for me. It was super easy to do. It does come with a screwdriver and instructions, and they were so easy, you guys. He did it in like less than 10 minutes, so it was quite quick. Again, it comes with a screwdriver, which a lot of like desks don't come with screwdrivers, so I thought that was pretty neat. Also, you do have a lip which you can slide out for your keyboard if you do have one. I personally don't, but eventually I do want to get like a huge desktop, like a Mac, an iMac I believe they're called, so eventually I will get one. But here I'm just like putting some things just to see how it looks, and I do love it. It's black, which I chose just because it matches my furniture in my living room, so I didn't want it to, you know, stand out too much. But I love it. It fits perfectly in the corner. It does not take up any space at all. And here's Richard just showing how like you can set up in the morning for work. Again, you guys, I really do love this. I was really happy that they wanted to collaborate with me. They send me this, which obviously I edit videos a lot, so this helps to just edit my videos. I also love this thing. I don't know what it's called, but you can hang your earpods if you wanted to. You also have like the magnetic stuff, so anything magnetic, it will stick to that. Again, here is my laptop, and here is the keyboard lip. If you do have like a tower, computer tower, you can put it in this thing that I'm about to show you. It does slide as well, so you can unhook everything, all the cords, and then slide it wherever you want. So I thought that was pretty handy as well. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to Ailichen for sending me this computer desktop. I really do appreciate that. So everything will be in the link below, you guys, if you did want to purchase this computer desk. So thank you again.